Once you're on, there's no escape. Hellbound train will seal your fate. Hellbound train, running wild. Take the sinner, take the child. Hellbound train, fire's near. Rock and roll is what we hear. Smoke is rising, thunder roars. Every shadow at the doors. Ride forever, feel the pain on a burning hellbound train. Engine screaming down the line. Every shadow left behind. Leather wings and burning eyes. Blacktop demons rule the skies. Blacktop demons, fast and loud. Riding hard, we'll never bow. Blacktop demons, steel and fire. Rock and roll is our desire. Dust is rising, flames collide. Every sinner takes a ride. Through the night we'll never fall. Blacktop demons own it all. was holding tight. Once you're on, there's no escape. Hellbound train will seal your fate. Hellbound train running wild. Take the sinner, take the child. Hellbound train fires near. Rock and roll is what we hear. Every shadow at the doors, ride forever, feel the pain on the burning hellbound train. Hellbound train. Rolling fast through desert heat, every mile a drum beat, no direction, no delay, riding down no mercy highway, yeah, no mercy highway, wild and mean, fastest road you've ever seen, no mercy highway, steel and flame, yeah. Rock and roll's the only name. No mercy, only name. Dust and thunder in my chest, every outlaw knows it best. On this road will always stay, living loud with no mercy highway. Lightning bolts across the sky. Raise your voice and testify. Every chord's a holy flame. Electric saints will rule again. Electric saints, shine the sound, shake the heavens, shake the ground. Electric saints, wild and free, rock and roll eternity. Voices rise and sparks collide. Every sinner's on our side. Raise the power, make it loud. Electric saints will move the crowd. I was born, sparks inside. Every flame refused to hide. Turn the darkness into gold. Wildfire so will not grow. I walked alone. Still the fire has always grown. Raise a torch and light the sky. Wildfire soul will never die. fire, gravel and bones, gravel and bones, dust and flame. Rock and roll will call my name. Gravel and bones, hard and true. Every fight I'll carry through. Lightning bolts across the sky. Raise your voice and testify. Every chord's a holy flame. Electric saints will rule again. Electric saints, shine the sound. Shake the heavens, shake the ground. Electric rock and roll eternity. Voices rise and sparks collide. Every sinner's on our side. Raise the power, make it loud. Electric saints will move the crowd. I was born with sparks inside. Every flame refused to hide. Turn the darkness into gold. Wildfire soul will not grow old. Wildfire soul, burning free. Carry all the heat in me. Wildfire soul, never tame. Rock and roll is in my name. always grown. Raise the torch and light the sky. Wildfire soul will never die. The skies. Blacktop demons, fast and loud, riding hard, will never bow. Blacktop demons, steel and fire. Rock and roll is our desire. Dust is rising, flames collide. Every sinner takes a ride. Through the night, we'll never fall. Blacktop demons own it all. Fast through desert heat, every mile a drum beat, no direction, no delay, riding down no mercy highway. No mercy highway, wild and mean, fastest road you've ever seen. No mercy highway, steel and flame, rock and roll's the only name. scar became a song. Chains are broken, shadows fade, gravel and bone.